Hello and welcome to Planet Wildlife, where today we'll be talking about fire safety.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
First and foremost, you'll need to obtain a fire permit. I just put in fire permit in my search engine. It brought me straight to California, so my computer knows where I'm at. We are also close to Arizona and Nevada. Arizona does not issue a permit because they don't allow campfires at all. Nevada is very similar to California. It'll bring you to this web page. You watch this video, and then you get to take a quiz, and then they issue you the permit, which you can download or print that you can take along with you. So if the man comes around asking for one, you can have it. So they got a handy dandy checklist here. Get a fire permit, check local fire restrictions, choose a safe location, clear a minimum of 10 feet around the fire, have a responsible adult in attendance, and extinguish your fire with the drown, stir, and feel method.
We just got our fire permit today. While Don's journaling, I thought I'd look at the existing fire that we have set up here. This was here when we got here. You're supposed to be a minimum of 5 feet from any plant life. This one is about 2 or 3. So we're probably going to relocate this. I think I'm going to put it over near the car. This area should be pretty easy to work in. It is 10 feet from the corner of that tarp, and it is a good 12 feet from the nearest little piece of plant life. This is a really good viewpoint, and it's away from the shrubbery. So try to move that and see how it comes out. We really loved this fireplace that somebody built. They really put a lot of time into it, and it looks pretty ultimate. It's nice and deep, nice high walls. It seems pretty hairy by the standards of your fire permit. So we kind of used it a little bit as a design for ours, but it really does not seem appropriately located in our opinion.
We finished this fireplace late in the afternoon and were commended when we had our BLM inspection on its size, that it's kind of too small for anybody to actually fall into, and its location, that it was far away from anything burnable.
We still need to clean up the old fireplace. We need to figure out exactly how to disperse this or clean it up.
We brought our own firewood to the site, as chaparral is good for little more than kindling. We incorporated a coal box so we can cook with a skillet or pan. And we turned this mess into a directional safety logo. The wind has calmed down, so we are having a fire.
Got my fire started on the first try. No problem out here where everything's so darn dry.
I have both my shovel and some gray water handy. That's for extinguishing the fire or if it gets out of control. And we enjoyed cooking a roast. Then we could just relax for the evening. We all need to take fire safety seriously. We took this picture of a 100-acre brush fire while we were making this movie. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now get out there and make your own adventures, and have fun, and be safe.